Hi, this is Krishnan. You're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix this issue if you are stuck here. Firmware update is stuck, so maybe this kind of issue you are facing in your HP laptop. So, what you have to do, you have to press the power key for few seconds and make sure your charger is unplugged. If you have a proper battery, then shut it down forcefully, wait few seconds and turn it on again. So whenever you will turn it on, it will take some time. You will see that laptop is on but display is not coming. So it's okay, wait for a few minutes. It will come, depend on your machine speed. So let's wait for a few minutes and then see whether display is coming or not. So now you can see that a display is came, and we'll see that still it is stucking, or it is showing the progress. So as you can see, it is showing the step 2, and it is installing quickly. Then it will come here and then it will reboot again. Maybe it will stuck here for a few minutes. Don't turn it off again, you have to wait some time, maybe 5 minutes. So after that it will reboot. No need to forcefully shut down again. It will happen automatically, all the process reboot. And now as you can see, it is installing few updates. Now it is completed, all the update patches are installed successfully. So if you have any doubt, comment below. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.